Think you're doing everything right at the gym? What if I told you some common exercise mistakes might be holding you back or worse, putting you at risk of injury? Today, we're diving into the most frequent mistakes people make when working out and how you can avoid them. Good exercise form is more than just looking good while you train. It's about maximizing results, preventing injuries, and actually enjoying your workouts. Imagine putting in hours every week only to find out you're not seeing the progress you deserve. Sounds frustrating, right? That's why we're here to break down the most common errors in 3 categories: weightlifting, cardio, and flexibility. By the end of this video, you'll know how to train smarter, not harder. Common mistakes in weightlifting. Let's start with weightlifting, a cornerstone of building strength and muscle. But lifting weights the wrong way can lead to poor results and even serious injuries. Here are 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1, incorrect weight selection. Choosing weights that are too heavy can ruin your form, while weights that are too light won't challenge your muscles enough to grow. How to fix it? Start light and master the movement. Once your form is perfect, gradually increase the weight. A good rule of thumb is to choose a weight that challenges you but still allows for 8 to 12 reps with proper form. Mistake 2, skipping the warm-up. Jumping straight into heavy lifting puts cold muscles at risk of strains and tears. How to fix it? Always warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, like jogging or jumping jacks, followed by dynamic stretches. Think of it as prepping your body for battle. It's essential. Mistake 3, poor form. Throughout the movement, most people focus on the lifting phase, but neglect the lowering phase, which is just as important for muscle growth. How to fix it? Engage your muscles during both the lifting and lowering phases. Take it slow and controlled. During a squat, avoid letting your knees collapse inward or arching your back. Keep your chest up and core engaged. Cardiovascular exercise mistakes. Next up, cardio. It's essential for heart health and endurance, but doing it wrong can lead to burnout, injuries, or slow progress. Let's cover 3 big mistakes. Mistake 1, overtraining. Many people think the harder and longer you run, the better, but overdoing it can lead to fatigue, injuries, or even muscle loss. How to fix it? Follow the 3-to-1 rule, 3 intense days followed by 1 active recovery day, like walking or yoga. Remember, quality matters more than quantity. Mistake 2, ignoring heart rate zones. Pushing too hard or not hard enough makes your workout inefficient. If you're not monitoring your intensity, you're guessing. How to fix it? Use a fitness tracker to stay in your target heart rate zone, or use the talk test. If you can't say a sentence, you're overdoing it. Mistake 3, wearing the wrong shoes. Worn out or improper footwear puts stress on your joints and can lead to injuries like shin splints. How to fix it? Invest in shoes designed for your activity, like running or cross-training shoes, and replace them every 300 to 500 miles. Flexibility and mobility errors. Flexibility and mobility are often overlooked, but they're key to preventing injuries and improving performance. Let's debunk 3 common mistakes here. Mistake 1, rushing stretches. Stretching too quickly without warming up can strain your muscles. How to fix it? Warm up first, then stretch each muscle group for 20 to 30 seconds. For a hamstring stretch, hold the position steady without bouncing. Mistake 2, ignoring certain areas, only stretching tight muscles leads to imbalances and poor posture. How to fix it? Incorporate full body stretching. For every front body stretch, do a back body stretch. Mistake 3, skipping mobility work. Stretching alone doesn't improve joint range of motion, which is vital for functional movements. How to fix it? Add mobility drills like cat-cows, hip openers, or shoulder dislocates. Mobility work not only helps with flexibility but also improves how your body moves as a whole. Conclusion. So, what have we learned? To avoid common exercise mistakes. 1. Prioritize proper form in weightlifting, from warm-ups to controlled movements. 2. Balance cardio intensity and recovery while wearing the right gear. 3. Stretch and include mobility drills for flexibility and functional fitness. By fixing these mistakes, you'll not only see better results but also enjoy your workouts more. Which mistake surprised you the most? Sharing your experiences makes for an exciting read. Also, don't forget to explore more videos on my channel. Links are right on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share it, hit the like button, and subscribe. Catch you soon.